Alright, so we've got our header on. We're going through our header calibrations. So we hit our menu button, go to calibrations and procedures, go to header, and we've done most of our speed calibrations already, so now we're on to our header calibration. Hit calibrate, tells us we got to be at high idle, and here in a second it'll walk us through everything else. So we hit our start button. We have to have our feeder house faceplate level, so we're going to tilt it back just a little bit. Once it passes 0, it goes ahead and continues on through the next step. Now it's telling us our cutter bar pressure is too high, so we just start decreasing it. You can kind of usually see the cutter bar drop. Once it drops, you can watch it on the display. Once it gets below 1,000 psi, it'll go ahead and proceed to the next step. Now it's telling us to let it down all the way on the ground. Hit our next. And just hold our raise button. This one usually goes quite a bit faster than the raise and lower speed calibration. So now it's telling us our off-ground sensor is pinned. That's what we want because we're calibrating to be cutting on the ground, so that should be pinned up. We hit our next button. Now it lets us know our AHC flex mode is calibrated. This confirms calibration. Hit save. Now we're going to do the AHC performance tuning calibration. Follows right in there with it. Hit next. And then we just hold our lower button and it'll kind of just bounce up and down a little bit. More fine tuning the calibration. Once it's done, it gives you the confirmed calibration. You just hit save. That's all there is to the header calibration there.